Hey you guys, it's your girl LaCosta here. Welcome to my channel, Lady Gaston Plans. Here on this channel, we do all things related to planning, productivity, and creativity. If that's something that you're interested in, hopefully you will stick around to the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. Hey you guys, I am getting ready to decorate for the week of March 14th through March the 20th in my on-the-go Dollar Tree planner. This is an old planner cover by the Happy Planner that I have used before. Actually, it could have been 2 years ago or maybe a year and a half ago that I was using for my mini planner. And I was looking in my stash to see if I had some type of cover that will hold my on-the-go planner in, and bam, I found it. Didn't need anything fancy because, I mean, it just goes in just like that. And also, very quickly, I received this monthly planner from Scrap Craftastic, which you can find her here on YouTube as well as Instagram. She mentioned in one of her videos because she had several of these monthly planners on hand, and if we wanted one we could just send her a message, and I sent her a message and she sent me one. So I have this on this side of this planner cover, and this is the weekly, because the weekly with the Dollar Tree planners did not come with a monthly. So now I have both of them and it fits just perfectly. So if you would like to see how I create my decorative spread for the upcoming week, stay tuned to this video. Alright you guys, I am back. So let me show you some of the stickers that I will be using in this spread. Of course, good old faithful, which is the dates and holidays sticker book. I will be pulling the dates, the numbers out of this sticker book to put on for the upcoming week. I have this mega sticker book that is pastel colors. I've used a couple of stickers I've used a couple of stickers from this sticker book, but it's been a while since I've used some, so I'm going to pull some stickers from there since this is the week of St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to pull some green-ish stickers to decorate the upcoming week. And I have this washi that I'm going to pair with some washi strips that is in this sticker book. So let's go on and slide this over and open up the planner. Yeah, I really like this decorative spread. So I just hate when I was readjusting the washi, I kind of ripped it right there, and I really did not have time to go in to, you know, tape it up and fix it up. So I said, hey, it's okay. All right, so I've opened up my planner for the week, and of course I have my stationery planner utensil bag, and I will be pulling some functional stickers from, well, some script stickers from my personal collection of stickers. So let's get to decorating. guys, I am done creating my decorative spread for the upcoming week, March 14th through the 20th, in my on-the-go planner. I think this is not sticking down because the type of texture on this washi, it does give like that waxy feeling and everything, but maybe when I close it up, it will kind of hold in place and kind of, yeah, stay together. But okay, as you saw, excuse me, as you saw, I was having a little difficulty in creating this spread because I did decide that I wanted to put a doll in here, and I was trying to find the right type of doll to kind of match the color scheme, and then it hit me. I had this doll in here from the monthly subscription of March 2021 from Also Paper. So she goes perfect with this setup. So let me know how you like this particular spread down in the comment section, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright, you guys, also if you have not subscribed to my channel, I need you to hit that subscribe button as well as that little bell notification right next to it, so you will be notified when there are new videos such as this one that have been uploaded and ready for you to check out. Alright, you guys, that is all for this particular video. Thank you again so very much for watching this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.